Back with another one. New day, beautiful day. I'm still in Athens. Yo, it's a special day, man. We got a new sponsor. I'm jumping straight to it because I'm so excited. We got a new sponsor. I've been chasing these guys for like 2 years and we finally locked in. Happy to be working with these guys, man. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. We're taking this baby home, y'all. It's the new YCF 110R. About to take this bitch home. We're gonna make it ours. We're gonna do what we doing. We're about to hit the trails. We're about to pop some wheelies, take it to the islands, do all types of crazy shit, man. It's gonna be... Yo, huge thank you to the family in YCF for hitting me back and plugging me in. Brand new bike. Εδώ στην Αθήνα έχουν ό,τι γουστάρετε για παιδιά, για μεγάλους. Αυτή η μάρκα την κυνηγάω 2-3 χρόνια τώρα. Πιστεύω ότι είναι η καλύτερη μάρκα έτσι για PITBIKes και τέτοια που δεν κάνουν 3.500 χιλιάρικα σαν το CRF. Εγώ τα πιστεύω πάρα πολύ και τώρα θα δουλέψουμε μαζί, θα κάνουμε πάρα πολλά πράγματα μαζί. Θα βγάζουμε γαμώτα βιντεάκια, θα κάνουμε βόλτες παντού. I'm really fucking excited, guys. Let's go in the shop, let me show you a little bit. Είμαι λεπτός και δεν είχε... Stelios over here, BMX legend, MX legend in Greece. Everybody knows him. Mr. Nikos here. Άμα γουστάρετε, YCF εδώ. Mr. Nikos θα σε φτιάξει. Και έχουν και τα λάρια, whatever you guys want. Surons. Got all the YCFs over here. Got the biggies, got everything. Got the 50s for the kids. Got everything, guys. So yeah, man, YCF, this is what we rocking with. It's got a lot of potential. That's what we doing. That's what we doing. All right, y'all, we secured the package, man. Mission accomplished. We finally got the YCF sponsor. Got my man PITBIKE in the cut, helping me out, everything. You know, shout out PITBIKE, Lira and all the guys. Και τώρα, πάμε. Πάμε κουταλά, για στρώσιμο να γαμίσουμε γαλάστικο. Τα αριστερά. We're coming soon. Θέλουμε λάστιχα κάθε εβδομάδα.
80% 12. Γεια σας.
So we had to come to Motoharis real quick, get some shit tightened up, had to get the forks tightened up, you know, little stuff. It's brand new out the box, man. We're just breaking it in. It's still running a little funny, smells funny. This bitch rips, y'all. I'm telling y'all, YCF is the fuck out of here. I'm telling y'all, they're sturdy, they're made nice, engine runs good and it's fast as a bitch. The suspension is nice, the plastics are fire, the way the handlebars sit already, it's just set up as a ready to go pit bike. Shit, this bitch got compression.
σου στείλω όλα τα σως να θέσουμε ένα τούμπο νωρί.
Κοίτα εδώ και τώρα ζεστά.
Βιδόνι.
Special garage from Baltimore to Greece here. In those mountain.
Κοτοπόλο το νερό.
Να ρε βλάκα, πάρ' το.
Airbike money and his kids.
Πάει.
Like 3 in the morning, we in Vidona right now. Boys cutting up on the strip.
Πέντε λεπτά αστυνομία.